Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic tutorials how to zoom in Photoshop. Okay, in here I will create new file and we use the default settings. Click create. Now I will draw for simple sketch. We draw like rectangle at this point. If you want to zoom in this rectangle object, you can press Alt, Hold, and use scroll mouse. It will be zoom in and zoom out like this. The other option, you also can use tools in status bar. Like in here I will set into 70% to be automatically zoom in 70%. So you can increase again like 95 is for 95, and to zoom out you can set like 30 is for zoom out. To fit these objects you can go to view, like you can click it, fit on screen, or the other is set into fit layer on screen. This fit on layer it will be set into these rectangle objects, or by pressing Alt and scroll mouse you can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, that's it how to zoom in Photoshop, and if you have any question about this tutorial you can comment below this video.